by having more things, we have lost the ability to become happy, lost the ability to rise above the occasion. Because by having more things, these things may not necessarily be physical things. They may be thoughts, they may be concepts, they may be emotions, and they may be moods, they may be memories, and maybe many different kinds of mood swings and thoughts. And why can't we rise above? It's because by having so many things, you cannot possibly rise up like if you are in a hot air balloon. Okay, if a hot air balloon and then you have so many heavy things and heavy concepts, or maybe the fire needs to be bigger. Even if you didn't have any physical bags of sand or any physical items in the hot or in the basket that you are in going up the hot air balloon. If you didn't have physical things, then you would have mental concepts that would hinder your ability to rise above the occasion that we are in.